I wasn't so sure if that SUV on the side of that pickup was gonna pick up speed or stop. I was gonna go, I'm like, oh shit. God, man. Thank goodness there's still good people. Thank goodness there's still good people in the world. You gotta see someone. I saw a reflection of a bike. Not by my imagination, it's a car. Yeah, it's a car. No more cicadas. That's so sad. No. Sounds like there's some over there on the left, but those are probably locusts. Oh, those poor cicadas would have been so cool. I had an idea to take the black and the white ones and put them into amber. That would have been so cool. Because there'll never be one where they're together for like another couple hundred years. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, it's another bike rider. Let's go. I hope this person, like, oh, fuck, man. Oh, what the? I don't know what just hit me. Oh, there's bumblebees and stuff here. Bumblebee just tapped me on the arm one time. Oh. Come on, lady. She's gonna go on the left or she's gonna go straight? Because I almost went straight last time. Oh, she's going on the left. Ah, come on. Taking her sweet ass time. I'm definitely gonna have to pass her up. No cars? Okay. Let's go! Alright, lady, you gotta get up in my way. Alright, lady, come on. Oh, look at the freight train. It's the engines. It's just the engines. Oh, I've never seen that before. There's so many camera photos, it's unbelievable. I have no idea why there's so many. Everyone just looks at the camera like such in a weird way. It is what it is. It smells around here. I'm so scared that someone's gonna be walking on the stone path when I go on my bike. We're gonna take a look to see how many cars are here. Oh, I just hit that pothole. Oh man. Okay. I'm stupid. Oh, come on, don't tell me there's people walking on the road, the brick road or stone road. What the? Look at that over there. That's like sweet potato and tomatoes and stuff. What the hell? I don't know if I should go this way because I don't know if anybody's gonna be walking this path. Man, what to do, what to do. Because I know this path goes super fast. Ah, what to do? Where could all those people be in the cars? Let's take a quick look at this stuff though. If you guys can see that, there's a turtle on the wood. There's a turtle over there. I've never seen a turtle there before. I wonder if he's alive. I'm really trying to think if I should have checked on that guy in the wheelchair now that I think about it. So coming this way, it says trail, but it says bike route. So they'd have to walk this way, the bikes go this way though. Look, let me show you guys, because I didn't have this on cam when I came here before. Right here, look what it says. Coming, not this way, coming this way, look. It says it right there. So if there's any people walking, I don't know what they're gonna, I don't know. I just don't know. I feel like I'm gonna flatten one of my tires. What? Let's go. Oh man. This will be interesting. Oh my God. So last time I came here, there was that lady walking on this route, and I'm like, what is she doing? Woo! Oh, I made it. Let's go. Last time I thought I had it on cam. I had to walk up that thing. Woo! I had to walk up it. Yeah, yeah. Keep her going.